Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel The Kitchen of Kim Awards. Today I am going to make red sauce pasta. So do watch the complete video, and if you like the video then don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for new updates. So let's get started. For making red sauce pasta, here I have taken a container. Now in it I'll add 5 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of oil. So here the role of oil is that it won't let your pasta stick together. So we'll mix everything and using a lid we'll cover it and let the water boil for 2 to 3 minutes. So it's been 3 minutes. Now we'll remove the lid and in it we'll add the dry pasta. Here I have taken around 1.5 cup of dry pasta. Now we'll mix everything and we'll cover it using the lid and let the pasta boil for 5 to 7 minutes. So it's been 7 minutes. Now we'll remove the lid. As you can see that water has also turned whitish in color and our pasta is also ready. They are boiled perfectly. Now we'll strain them out. So here I am using a strainer. Be careful because at this stage the water and pasta will be so hot. So now we'll let the pasta cool down and we'll make the red sauce. So here I have taken a kadai in which I'll add 2 tablespoons of oil. A little bit of cumin seeds or jeera, and we'll mix it, and now we'll add in it around 2 large onions finely chopped, and we'll mix them until the raw taste removes. So now they have turned slightly brownish. Now in it we'll add around 1 large capsicum finely chopped. You can add carrots and beans as well. Now in it we'll add 2 large tomatoes puree. You can choose the vegetables as your own. So as you can see that the red sauce is cooked. Now in it I'll be adding 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of dhania powder and half a teaspoon of garam masala. So now we'll give everything a quick mix. Now in it half a teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. You have to continuously stir it. Now using a lid, we'll cover it and let the red sauce cook for around 2 minutes. So it's been 2 minutes. Now we'll remove the lid. As you can see that the red sauce has cooked very well. Now we'll mix it And it's the time to add our boiled pasta. So we'll add the boiled pastas and we'll mix everything. So it's a little bit difficult for me to mix it because I have boiled them a little bit more. So you can boil them for 5 minutes, that's enough. But they are looking delicious and they really taste very well. Now in it, at this stage, I'll add around 1 tablespoon of tomato ketchup. If you have soya sauce, then you can add soya sauce or chili sauce as well. So mix everything and our pasta is ready. So try this recipe at your home and share your experience with me in the comment section. Enjoy!